Hello, Yatris. Welcome back to Yatri Cloud. So let's get started to set up the GitHub Copilot in the VS Code. So right now, who don't know about the GitHub, I already prepared one playlist on the GitHub and also roadmap. So you can check it out, the playlist. The link is given in the description and the I button. So here is I'm going to set up the Copilot in our code editor called VS Code. Or if you want to check it out more editors, you can go there. Correct. So let's go to set up the Copilot in the VS Code. So firstly, what you need to do, you need to just install the VS Code in your system. Secondly, you need a GitHub account. That's it. Okay. So here you need to just go into your extension and here you need to just type GitHub Copilot. After entering the GitHub Copilot, you need to just install the one extension. Okay. So here you can see the GitHub Copilot. Just click on the install and after installing you need to just go into the upper side. Here you can see the icon of the Copilot. So click here and here is the our chatbot is open. So here you need to first sign in with your GitHub account. I already signed in with my account here, so you are not able to see the pop-up after sign in. So after sign in with your personal GitHub account, you need to just configure your model, right? Just select any one of them, GPT 4.1 or GPT 4.0 or 3 mini, or you can go with Google one, Gemini or the Claude one, right? If you want to check it out more premium models, you can just click on the add premium models and here you need to just follow two steps, right? First one, you need to set up the GitHub Copilot Pro one and just click on the new model. But it's a paid. So we are going to use the free model that would be efficient. So back to the VS Code and I'm selecting the 4.1 and I'm just entering the hi message. Let's say. Okay. So here you can see reply is coming. So just like if you want to just click on here, first one, you can see the agent is now enabled in the GitHub Copilot. That means you can just give the prompt and your agent would be considered as a your full work. It would be automatically respond you, automatically give the task for you, everything. That's it. So you can switch into the agent mode also. Let's say you want to change anything in the file. Okay, here. So I'm just click on the command plus I. So you can just ask the Copilot whatever you want to do. Let's say build a function to check odd and oh sorry odd and even numbers. Let's say okay. And in a few seconds it will be written for you and click on the accept. Here you can see the function is written, right? So it's a very pretty much easy, so you can try it out by your own self and improve your productivity right now and play with the GitHub Copilot. And after getting the practice you can just go into your certification, which I already prepared one roadmap. So you can go with the GitHub Copilot certification if you are more into the AI side. So best of luck and try it out and let me know in the comment box what you are going to use for the GitHub Copilot. Bye bye, see you and take care. Do not forget to subscribe to the Yatri Cloud. Yeah.